Hello everyone, today I'm doing a review of the Clairefontaine basic notebook. So, as I said, made by the company Clairefontaine. It is the basic line and it is an A5, so the dimensions are 5.8 by 8.3 inches or 14.8 by 21 centimeters. And this is the color tan, and it's available in, I believe, like 6 colors. I don't know, a lot of different colors. So check it out online if you're interested in other colors. As I said, this is the tan one, and it has this gorgeous texture to it on the cover. It's just a cardboard cover, but it has a beautiful texture. I don't know how well the camera picks this up. I love it. And it's cloth bound here. A little bit of a contrast, a darker one, and then again, this beautiful cover. And it has the Clairefontaine logo right here. It's like imprinted into it. And it has an elastic strap. And this notebook is just glued. It is not stitched, as you can see. No stitching, only glued together. And it has rounded edges. Right there, you can see that. And it has 192 pages or 96 sheets. And this is a ruled one. It's 8mm ruling. I'm not sure if it's available in blank. I think it's just available ruled. So 8mm. The ruling is it's this, to me it looks purple, like a purple bluish ruling. It goes all the way to the edges. As you can see, and there's a margin at the top and then a little bit at the bottom. And here's my writing sample. It is 90-gram Clairefontaine paper. It's a crisp white, so it's not off-white. It's like really nice and crisp. Super smooth paper, feels really great to write on. And let's check out my writing sample. So here we have a pencil, a ballpoint pen right there, then a gel pen, 7mm gel pen, and then here we have a 4mm gel pen right there, and then we have a fountain pen, the Pilot Metropolitan Diamond Marine, and there's absolutely no feathering on any of these. Paper performs really well. And then in the back there's a little bit of ghosting, but absolutely no bleed through. So this is great paper, very fountain pen friendly. One thing that I noticed about this notebook is that it doesn't really lie flat at first. Like you really have to press into it, and you have to break the binding right there. And then once you do that, it will lie flat, and you can write on it nicely. What worries me about though is because it is glued, I'm a little bit worried that it might start falling apart if you bend it too much too often, but that is only something that time will tell, because it might actually hold up. Who knows? It might actually not fall apart at all, but since it is glued, there's a little bit of more of a risk there that it could do that. And then since it has this elastic strap, but a really fairly thin cardboard cover, as you can see, this is really flexible, this cover. There are those metal clasps right here that hold the elastic in place. But when you write on it, you can kind of feel it writing. I mean, I can't show you this when it lies flat on the ground, but when you write on it, whoops. And then you can feel it with your hand, or also if you write over it with the pen. So it doesn't bother me too much, but some people could be bothered by it. If it really bothers you a lot and you don't need the elastic at all, then by all means, I think it's pretty easy to just take this out through those holes right there and get rid of it. So that's pretty much the only downside, I think, to this notebook for some people. Could be this right here, and it has a white cover page in the back and also a white cover page in the front. I personally love the vintage look of this notebook. It's it's what you see like from the 50s and 60s. Like it feels really like it's this old school look to it, and I kind of like elastic to it, because you can put stuff in there and hold it in place. So, and it is fairly affordable if you want Clairefontaine paper and you want a bound notebook and not just like a spiral notebook. I think this is a really great option for you. So those are my 2 cents on the Clairefontaine basic notebook. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. And for more notebook reviews, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.